Good evening, Zamanuge. I'm the Sublamola channel once again. Welcome back to ITSA. Azila first job logger role in an ITSA. BMRCL Recruitment 25 apply online. 27 assistant engineer, chief engineer, and more other posts na say. Tamay di company inadigna say. Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Limited. BMRCL. Post name do chief engineer, deputy chief engineer, executive engineer, assistant executive engineer, assistant engineer na ase. Number of posts 27 ase. Salary na ase. IDA pay scale, executive graduate per month na ase. Qualification na ase. BE, BTech in relevant engineering discipline. Age limit to 36 to 56 years. Post wise and contract or deputation na ase. Post wise sabte age limit na phakko na ase. Start date to do December 1 2025 start hoise. Online application form to do. Last date to le 24 12 2025 ina tigna ase. Aur hard copy sengo nimide 30 12 2025 4 baje ni budanam de sengo itimi ko ase. To amne kungun interested ase. Fara details saule ta meite. Official website digna ase. Tele jagina amne kan fara details aro post wise apply gormon jaile apply gorni mil khobor dekhamende ani tiala ase. Job vacancy na ase. SPI RCT Rural Self-Employment Training Institute. Dariba advertisement na olagina ase. SPI invites willing and competent candidates for SPI research iti Rural Self-Employment Training Institute parent district de olagina ase for the following posts as detail. Originally purely on contractual basis as for a period of 1 year. Itu purely contractual basis hobo ko ase. Aur amni la performance sai na extended group arbo aur renew group arbo ko ase saldo sal exal limit ase. Ita name of the post na ase faculty. Itu faculty nimide vacancy ta ase. Salary jo na ase. Amen follow salary bi aro ide allowance kan bi digna ase. Qualification na ase should be graduate, that is science or commerce or arts. Postgraduate, however, preferably MSW, MA in Rural Development, MA in Sociology, Psychology, BSc Veterinary, BSc Horticulture, BSc Agriculture, BSc Agri Marketing. Ina sob tigina ase to amne kan dibi palba saigina apply group arbo aro tam baiti last date to lidu 31 December 2020 tigina ase to amne kan itu submit ko ni midai du khobor thamnande ani diala ase. Next laga job ina ani DSM nandi. We are hiring open position ase. Technical support executive. Salary do little rupees 25,000 to 30,000 per month ase. One round selection process takibo ko ase. Basic English and Kannada language compulsory ina ase. Education ina ase SSLC, BUC and any degree ina ase. Freshers and experienced both can apply. Work-in interview only in Belagavi office location na digina ase. First floor opposite Jamia Masjid, Darpar Gali, Bazar Road, Karnataka de ase du. To job vacancy du Karnataka de ase. To kung ni de willingness ase. Or apply group mon jai ase. Taka ni mile ide. Tama contact number bi rakhi digina ase. 8217784024 ina ase. First la. Second day 8904301057 ina ase. To amne kung ni interested ase. Salary la package so pala ase. To amne kan selection process to one round nakibo. Amne apply group mon jai le contact korna. Apply group ni mil khobor la thamnande ani dia